Welcome to tutorial series on SQL. This is chapter 12, alter statement, add column, drop column and alter column. In this video, you will learn when and why to use alter table statement, how to add a new column to an existing table, how to add multiple column to an existing table, how to change the data type of an existing column, how to avoid data loss while changing data type of column, how to drop single or multiple columns from a table, why and when to use alter table statement. After creating a new table, there may be a situation where you may want to change the structure of a table, maybe because the business requirement has changed or you want to change your development logic for performance optimization. Alter table statement provide a way to change the structure of an existing table where you can change the column name or its data type or add a new column or drop an existing column. Note that the alter table statement changes only the schema of a table. It has no effect on the data in the table. Add new column to an existing table. Alter table syntax to add one or more column to a table is alter table name, add column name, data type, column name to data type. Below is the example to add one column to an existing table, and this is the example to add multiple columns to an existing table. Let us see this with the help of an example. So first I will log in into my SQL database. I will log in into my .win database. Here I have the student table. In this I have three columns: roll number, name and subject. So I will just add one more column, age. So this is the syntax. After executing, if I refresh the table, then you can see the new column age is added to the table. Now let us see how to add multiple columns to the table. This is the syntax to add a multiple column. So here I will be adding age. Okay, so age I have already added before. We cannot add column with the same name again. As age already exists, I have to change the column name. I will make it age1. Now I will execute. So it is executed successfully. Now if I refresh the table again, you can see the two columns. So if I do the select query, then you can see all the columns: age, age1 and gender. You can also add a column by going through the design view of SSMS Studio. For that, right click on the table, then select design. Now here I will add a new column, name city, and the data type will be varchar 50. Let me make it varchar 20. Now if I save it, then the table is saved. And now if I refresh the table, you can see the city column. Now if I do the select query, then you can see like the city column is also displayed in select query. Let us see how to alter the properties of an existing column. Syntax to change the data type or size of an existing column is alter table name, alter column name with data type. You can also add a constraint. Constraint is optional. Below is the example to alter column of an existing table. In this statement, I have changed the data type of roll number column from int to float. Note that the changes made to the attribute of the table may result in loss of data. That is, changing the attribute of a column in a table that already has some data may result in a permanent loss of data. So be careful while changing the property of the column. For example, if the data type of the column is varchar 20 and you change it to varchar 10, then the database system has to remove the extra character. So all the data for that column in all the rows will be trimmed by the first 10 characters, which may not be as what you expect. Let me show you with the help of an example. Here I am changing the data type of name column using the SSMS Studio. I will just make name column from 20 to 5. Now if I save, then it is showing me the warning that the data may be lost. So I will just click yes. Now if I do the select query, then you can see it is trimmed to the first 5 characters. So the T is removed from the artist word because that T was the 6th character. Now let me show how to remove a column from an existing table. So alter table syntax to drop one or more column from a table is alter table name, drop column name, column name. So below is the example to drop one column from an existing table. To drop multiple columns from an existing table, you have to just separate your column by a comma. As an example, here I am first dropping a single column named age1 so that the command is executed successfully. Now if I refresh the table, then you can see the age1 column is deleted. I will delete multiple columns from the table. I am removing the age column and the gender column. After I execute it, now if I refresh the table, then I can see the age and gender column both are removed. We can also remove the existing tables using the design view. For that, I will just right click on the column and I can see delete column. So I will delete column, I will click on that, I will save. Now if I do refresh, then I can see that the column is deleted. So in this way you can delete a column using the SSMS Studio. So drop table is used when a column of a table do not serve any purpose and is no longer in use in any of the triggers, view and store procedure. In such cases, it is right to remove the column from the table. Thus, in this tutorial, we learned step by step on how to use the SQL alter table statement to add a column, alter column properties, or drop one or more column from the table. In the next video, we will learn how to use the alter SQL statement to rename the table or to rename the columns of the table. That's it in this video. Keep watching for more such videos. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.